I would keep watching runs and reruns of the Oprah Winfrey Show. And I kept feeling like, yaar, if I could make a difference to even one person the way Oprah Winfrey makes a difference, I would feel like my life is totally worth it. Whatever I could learn, आप hypnotherapy बोलो, आप neurolinguistic programming बोलो, energy medicine, numerology, tarot, whatever I could learn, I picked it up. My faith is my superpower. That's what I want to instill even in the people that I speak to. I will sit back and I'll be like, okay, wait. Is there a fight inside me? Then I will reflect and I'm like, okay, heal that conflict. When I heal this conflict, the conflicts outside will stop. The world outside is only a reflection of the world inside.
Welcome to Unstoppable Women, Kavya.
Thank you, Sharita. Thank you for having me.
So happy to have you here.
Here.
And so happy to have somebody who talks from the heart.
I don't know any other way.
You know, you are one woman I've come across who has many hats. And it's confusing a lot. Can you please tell me the secret behind it? How do you handle so many hats?
मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं, जब कोई बहुत इंटेलिजेंट होता है ना, तो उनको पता होता है एग्जैक्टली कि उनको क्या करना है. Like, you know, we've heard this कि 95% वाला कोई स्टूडेंट होता है, they have to be a doctor, they have to be an engineer, they have to be a CA, right? लेकिन जब कोई बहुत बिलो एवरेज होता है या एवरेज होता है, तो उनको जुगाड़ करना पड़ता है. I am one of those below average kids who didn't know what I could do with my life. I remember my father telling me कि यार तेरी छोटी बहन भी इतनी स्मार्ट है, तेरा छोटा भाई भी इतना स्मार्ट है, दोनों का कुछ ना कुछ तो हो जाएगा. तेरा क्या होगा यार? What are you going to do? तू सिर्फ बात करती है. And I was 9 years old and I remember telling my father that पापा कभी कोई मुझे बात करने का पैसा दे तो.
Wow.
And he gave me one tapli on my head. He's saying, Sheikh Chilli ke khayali pulao. When I was 9, I'm 42 now.
Yeah.
When I was 9, there was no profession कि आपको कोई बात करने का पैसा देगा. So because I was that very below average जुगाड़ू person, I didn't have a choice. मुझे life ने जो भी दिया ना, I had to pick it up. Whatever opportunities came, I'm like, चलो ये भी करते हैं, पता नहीं कहाँ क्या तुक्का लग जाए. And now I'm still working in all of those fields I learned in.
Amazing. So psycho-spiritual healer.
That's right.
And that's the core of you, right? And बाकी offshoots और shoots निकल रही हैं, उसकी branches निकल रही हैं.
जी.
But core में आप एक psycho-spiritual healer हो.
Basically, I am an empath. Okay. And I feel like I'm here on a mission. I just want to make the world a better place in whatever capacity I can.
So there's a mission.
There is a mission. No doubt about
and
it.
When did you realize
with
this?
it. I wake up with it every minute. मुझे याद नहीं है कि मैंने पिछले 15 साल में if I've ever taken a break. Wow. Even if it's Sunday, I'm reading something, I'm studying something, I'm doing some marketing, I'm talking to people. I'm always with my clients. You know, मुझे screenshots भेजते हैं. Kavya, I'm in distress. I'm always at work. कब ये mission आया? I think at the core, when I went through a major depressive episode between the age of 20 and 24.
Okay.
I was very suicidal at that point of time. And honestly, I didn't know what caused it. I just knew that, you know, there were constant downward spirals. And I experienced a few miracles then.
Wow.
I experienced some angel events where people have tried to save me and they were miraculous experiences. And I heard this voice coming to me again and again saying that you can do everything differently now. You can do everything differently now. And I do believe that वो जो angel experience था जिसने मुझे बचाया, just out of gratitude towards that angel, I decided I will do this for other people as well.
Wow.
क्योंकि उस event के बाद मेरी life change हो गई. तो अगर मेरी life change हो गई, तो बहुत सारे लोगों की life change हो सकती है.
You want to talk about in like steps when you said life change हो गई. जैसे हमारे listeners जानना चाहेंगे कि उनकी life में भी अगर बदलाव आए तो कैसे आए? What are those baby steps you took?
4 साल after I got married, मैं बॉम्बे से बैंगलोर चली गई. And it was just me and my husband. And I was very lonely because my husband was workaholic. मैं 20 साल की थी. I didn't have any career. I didn't have any vision for my own life. I was a child. बैंगलोर में सारी चैनल्स कन्नड़ा में आती हैं. The only channel that I could watch at that time was Star World, which had the Oprah Winfrey Show.
Nice.
तो वही बस बेड पे बैठे बैठे I would keep watching runs and reruns of the Oprah Winfrey Show. और मैं जब उसको देखती थी ना, तो I would cry a lot. And I kept feeling like, यार, if I could make a difference to even one person the way Oprah Winfrey makes a difference, I would feel like my life is totally worth it.
Wow.
And she, in a very subtle way, brought me out of my depression and gave me something to look forward to. I wanted to be her. I was so obsessed with Oprah Winfrey. I have an Oprah tattoo on my hand.
Oh, how fascinating.
That और उसके बाद तो ओपरा की लंबी चौड़ी स्टोरी है where I met her, I spoke to her.
You were on her show.
I was on her show. And that taught me a lot of manifestation. Oh my God.
You visualized yourself in her show.
Every day.
Amazing.
For 10 years.
Amazing.
For 10 years. इतनी हद तक कि मैंने मेरी एक फोटोग्राफ बनाई थी विद ओपरा विनफ्री, वो फोटोशॉप करके कुछ, और वो फ्रेम लगाया हुआ था मेरे रूम में. तो मेरे बच्चे जब बहुत छोटे थे तो मुझे पूछते थे, मम्मा शी योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, एंड आई नेवर सेड नो. आई सेड someday baby, someday.
coming soon.
But 10 years I have seen myself with that woman. अब मेरा वॉलेट आज भी खोल के देखेंगे तो you will see ओपरा विनफ्री का बिजनेस कार्ड है. Because I just wanted to make a difference the way she made a difference.
Did you visualize her yourself in front of her? Like, I'm just thinking about the power of meditation and visualization. A lot.
इतना हार्डवायरिंग हो गया था, I think, कि if I had a bad day, I would dream of having met Oprah Winfrey at the railway station, at the market, in the elevator. And it used to be such a solid dream कि जब मैं उठती थी तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि वो सच था या ये
सच है.
So for me, I think my soul has spent a lot of time with her. The body sleeps, right? The soul is always traveling.
Always awake.
I feel like I've spent a lot of time with her. इतना हद तक कि मैंने कौन सी nail polish लगाई है या मैं कौन सी साड़ी पहनी हुई हूँ when I am on her show. Everything has been visualized over and over and over again. And
along with having a very strong mentor like Oprah, you also did many courses, right?
Yes.
And you were at it.
Constantly at it.
Yeah.
Simply because, like I said, jab I've been married 23 years. And I got married at 20. So 23 years ago, we didn't have so much career counseling, so much awareness, so many options of subjects. तो लाइफ ने मुझे कभी बैचलर्स ऑफ साइकोलॉजी करने का मौका नहीं दिया. आई हैड अ वेरी डिफरेंट लाइफ प्लान. आई वांटेड टू बी एन एयर होस्टेस. सो बिकॉज आई डिडंट हैव दैट कोर डिग्री, when I went into a depression and when Oprah came and I'm like, I also want to make a difference. I also want to make a difference. Sure. And I realized that, the world to only recognize is a bachelor's of psychology if you want to make a difference. But that was not an option given to me at any time. Because by the time I realized this, my children were small. I couldn't go back to full-time college. Whatever I could learn, whatever under the space of healing, आप hypnotherapy बोलो, आप neurolinguistic programming बोलो, energy medicine, Reiki, pranic, numerology, tarot, whatever I could learn, I picked it up. And I used whatever I could use. My spiritual background is very strong.
Right.
My faith is my superpower.
Right.
So that's what I want to instill even in the people that I speak to.
Right.
And I realized that अगर आपके पास faith नहीं है तो life बहुत ज़्यादा difficult हो सकती है.
So Kavyal, when you say faith, you know, people think in a religious connotation कि faith है तो idol worship है या कुछ masters हैं life में. But your faith is very different. Your faith is very like ignited within yourself. Right?
Absolutely.
So you want to talk about that?
Sure. I don't do any idol worship myself. I absolutely love going to all high energy places in the country or in the world. मैं जब कहीं मंदिर से ऐसे ही पास होती हूँ ना तो I will not sit and do this. I'll possibly sit and wink. That, you know, hey, I know you and you know me. That's the connection that I'm in a space of constant gratitude. Faith is just knowing that जो भी हो रहा है ना शैलजा, वो सब आपके highest benefit के लिए ही हो रहा है. There could be only two things that could be happening. One, even if things are going wrong, they are not happening to you, they are happening for you.
Okay.
They're trying to teach you something. Okay. Second, it's a karmic closure. बहुत सारी चीजें हमारी लाइफ में ऐसी होती है जो हमको नहीं अच्छी लगती
और समझ भी नहीं आती.
नहीं समझ में आती क्यों हुआ भाई. This is not the way I planned my life. Right? Either it is happening to teach you a lesson or it is a karmic closure कि भाई आपने किसी की बैंड बजाई है, अब आपकी बैंड बज रही है तो अभी ये अकाउंट्स क्लोज हो गए, अब आप यहाँ से ग्रेजुएट हो सकते हो. This way or that way. It is only and only
correct
in your highest good.
But Kavyal, tell me, for a normal person, right? अभी उनकी समझ इतनी नहीं है ना refined कि वो समझें कि this is because of the karmic closure or this is something which is for their benefit. They will either blame people around them or situations. Or they'll self-blame. How do we come out of that?
That is exactly what I speak about on Instagram. I think if you see 600 of my reels, 558 of them will be talking about taking responsibility.
Okay.
कि आप अपनी marriage में खुश नहीं हैं, मैं नहीं थी खुश. And I was constantly blaming my husband. तुमको ये करना चाहिए, तुमको वो करना चाहिए. And for 10 years, I think of my marriage, I was convinced that I am in the wrong marriage. It was only after I started healing my wounds and after I learned to take responsibility for my joy that I started falling in love with my own husband. On our 16th anniversary, I remember we were having lunch at the Olive and I told him, darling, I love you. And for 16 years, I must have told you I love you 16,000 times. But I think today is the first day where I truly mean it or I even understand it. Otherwise, so we are conditioned to say the minute you are engaged to somebody, oh, I love you so much, right? लेकिन आपको तो ये भी नहीं पता कि उसको अच्छा क्या लगता है, अच्छा नहीं क्या लगता. But it took me 16 years to fall in love with my man. And that was beautiful. I mean, if you see me and my husband together now, we are not the most romantic. We are a very boring couple. We are very boring. We are very drama free. We are not going out and having all the holidays or हमको JOMO है, joy of missing out. We like being at home and just sitting with each other. He's reading his book, I'm reading mine. But wherever we are, there is absolute peace. There's no drama. And I realized that growth can only happen in the absence of drama. So because there is so much peace now, we're both growing.
And you're growing in whatever's there.
In whatever life is presenting to us.
So one very interesting thing which you mentioned earlier, right? You said something about responsibility. And responsibility starts making you look inwards.
Yes.
Not outwards.
Yes.
And I think that's the answer to where do we start? As a human being, we have issues with self-confidence or issues with multiple things, right? Discipline, perhaps. But responsibility is, you have to take it yourself.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to tell you this. That I want you to imagine yourself in a room full of mirrors.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
If you walk into this room with a huge stone in your hand.
Got it?
You're going to see that every single person, every single reflection is throwing a stone at you.
Absolutely. Yeah.
But if you walk into this room with a fistful of flowers and you throw the flowers, you're going to see multiple reflections throwing flowers back at you.
Yes.
The world outside is only a reflection of the world inside. तो मैं अगर सुबह उठती हूँ एंड आई सी के यार मेरी बिल्डिंग में से ना बहुत जोर जोर से झगड़ा करने की आवाज आ रही है, फिर मैं बाहर जाती हूँ तो आई रियलाइज माई मदर इन लॉ एंड माई मेड आर फाइटिंग, फिर आई टेक अ रिक्शा एंड आई रियलाइज दैट द रिक्शा एंड सम अदर पैसेंजर आर फाइटिंग, and this is the third event of fighting in the day. I will sit back and I'll be like, okay, wait, is there a fight inside me? Is there a conflict inside of me? Then I will reflect and I'm like, okay, what is the conflict? Heal that conflict. When I heal this conflict, the conflicts outside will stop. बाहर जो भी हो रहा है ना,
वो mirror
that's just a clue into भैया अंदर देखो, अंदर क्या हो रहा है. तो अगर ये मैंने कितनी बार एक्सपीरियंस किया है कि मैं I'm a huge rickshaw person. Okay, me and my best friend could be traveling in a rickshaw and I'm in my own zone, in my own world, possibly humming a lag jagli is going on in my head. And my friend is just noticing the worst fight on the road. And she's like, did you see that?
Yeah.
Did you see that? And I'm like, what? She's like, oh, you didn't see that? नहीं, मेरा ध्यान ही नहीं गया वहाँ. क्योंकि अंदर कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ही नहीं है. तो बाहर जहाँ कॉन्फ्लिक्ट है, बिल्कुल. I am not a vibrational match to it.
Correct.
I'm a vibrational match to everything that is peaceful.
Correct.
So when you start looking inside, outside the world changes.
You mentioned something about vibrational match. What does it mean?
Okay. Suppose आपके घर में सब कुछ वाइट कलर का है.
ठीक है.
सोफा वाइट, वॉल्स वाइट, डेकोर वाइट. आप जब भी बाहर जाते हैं वाइट शर्ट और जीन्स पहन के जाते हैं. आपकी गाड़ी वाइट है. If somebody is watching you all the time and if they want to give you a gift, what kind of a color of a gift will they give you?
White.
Yeah. Because they believe that you like white.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's the energy that you are soaking in the whole time.
Yes.
तो वैसे ही ना ये energetic world जो है या जो universe है, वो उसको ये ऐसा नहीं लगता कि भैया ये एंगर की एनर्जी है तो ये बुरी है, सैडनेस की एनर्जी है तो ये बुरी है.
उसके लिए
इट इज जस्ट एन एनर्जी.
अच्छा.
तो अगर आप पूरे टाइम गुस्से में बैठे हो तो द यूनिवर्स विल गिव यू मोर इवेंट्स दैट कुड मेक यू मोर एंग्री. इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन सैडनेस ऑल द टाइम, इट विल गिव यू मोर इवेंट्स दैट मेक यू सैड बिकॉज द यूनिवर्स बिलीव्स शैलजा को तो सैडनेस अच्छी लगती है, तो वो तो 2 साल से सैडनेस में बैठी है, कुछ और दे दो.
ओके.
So we have to change that. अब मैंने मेरी फ्रीक्वेंसी 104.8 इश्क एफएम पे लगाई हुई है, लेकिन मुझे तो न्यूज सुननी है स्पोर्ट्स की. नहीं आएगी भाई,
क्योंकि आपकी
नहीं आएगी. वो इश्क एफएम है, उसमें सिर्फ अरिजीत सिंह के गाने बनते हैं.
बिल्कुल.
आपको आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी चेंज करनी पड़ेगी. That is what being a vibrational match is. Asking yourself this. What am I sitting in the whole time? What am I talking about the whole time? लोग बोलते पैसा नहीं आ रहा है यार, कट हो गया, जॉब निकल गया, सबका ले ऑफ हो रहा है. If you're constantly sitting into a space of there's no money, the universe gives you more of it. If you say that money comes in easily from everywhere, the universe gives you more of it. What you believe,
right?
What you speak, what you think,
yeah,
it's all ट्रांसलेटिंग इनटू रियलिटी. आपको पता है एक मैजिशियन होता है ना, तो मैजिशियन एक कोड वर्ड यूज करता है, abracadabra.
Correct.
Have you ever thought of what an abracadabra actually means?
Code.
Abracadabra in Hebrew language actually means I create as I speak.
Oh.
My German teacher who taught me neurolinguistic programming, he told me, Kavyal, God is in the word. God is in the word. What words are you using? What words are you thinking? what are you putting out? Be very careful. So if you don't want to manifest what you are thinking or what you are saying, change what you're thinking and what you're saying.
Right.
Because the universe will reflect it.
How do you change what you're thinking?
By being in the present moment.
Okay.
So I'll give you a very simple tip. We have 5 lakh thoughts a day, which we are not even aware of.
Right.
Okay. जिस थॉट को हम ज्यादा पानी देते हैं वो थॉट बढ़ता है.
Correct.
जिसको ज्यादा भाव दिया वो बड़ा हो जाएगा.
हाँ.
Right. For everybody who says, oh, I'm an overthinker, I don't know how to let go of these thoughts, just imagine you have a door here and you have a door here. There's a thought that has come. It's come, you don't like it. By the time it comes here, it's come to your awareness. I don't like it, okay. I don't like you. Thank you for coming. You can go now. Thank you for coming. I don't like you. You can go now. Okay, but if you want it, then you say, okay, I'll stay with this. I like you. What do you want to create? Think more of that. What is visualization all about?
Same.
Vision chart क्यों बनाते हैं हम लोग कि आपके सामने बना रहे हो तो आपको याद आता रहेगा कि ये आपका लाइफ का विजन है.
Correct.
Otherwise life takes over.
Correct.
कुछ ना कुछ तो होता ही रहता है.
There's a word called mindfulness.
Yes.
Right? And mindfulness is obviously a very large, big, heavy term or word.
Yes.
But उसके अंदर काफी कुछ आ जाता है. Meditation, visualization, being aware, being in the moment. So I think that's become your second nature now. Right?
Very.
Yeah. So being mindful.
Very mindful.
Yeah.
Because it's very simple. I know that every single thing that I think, I speak, I even intend for somebody will come right back to me.
Not to them, but
right back to me. And I'll tell you where I learned this from. जब हम लोग hypnotherapy सीखते हैं, तो hypnotherapy में past life regression करके कुछ होता है, which is a very popular concept.
Yes.
Now, there were certain lifetimes of mine which were so bad, so much suffering, that मैं जब ये देख रही थी तो भी मैं रो रही थी कि यार इतना तो मैंने क्या कर दिया कि इतनी गंदी लाइफ, इतनी अब्यूज वाली लाइफ, लाइक मुझे टॉर्चर कर करके मारा जा रहा है. And then my teacher said, wait. We never start off with a victim lifetime.
Okay.
हम लोग कभी भी पहले लाइफ टाइम में विक्टिम नहीं होते. अगर आप कोई विक्टिम लाइफ टाइम देख रहे हो मतलब ये स्यापा आपने कहीं शुरू किया है.
शुरुआत आपने
शुरुआत की है. So there is a concept called the higher self in hypnotherapy, that you go and you ask your own soul self कि भैया मुझसे गड़बड़ हुई है क्या? And your soul will say हाँ जी. अच्छा कितनी लाइफ टाइम की गड़बड़ है ये? तो आपको बोलेगा कि वो 2, 3, 4, 6 जितनी भी लाइफ टाइम में आपने गड़बड़े की है. और आप सर खुजा रहे हो कि अच्छा अब क्या करें? तो इसको भरपाई तो करनी पड़ेगी.
बिल्कुल.
So I have seen there were 3 lifetimes when I have actually murdered people.
Okay.
I have been ruthless. I have hurt people. I used to be a very, very rich American ranch owner जिन्होंने अफ्रीकन लोगों को ऐसे केजेस में डाल के स्लेव्स बना के उनको भूखा प्यासा रखा है, उनको मारा है. 2-3 लाइफ टाइम्स में मैंने ऐसे किया है. अब उस लाइफ टाइम में मुझे कुछ नहीं हुआ. I lived like a king, I died like a king. In another one I was a Bengali housewife. अच्छी खासी लाइफ दी थी मुझे भगवान ने. But because of my internal politics with my sister-in-law, I blamed her servant कि भैया इसने चोरी की है. अब वो बेचारा loyal आदमी 40 साल he had worked for the family. He couldn't take that insult and he hung himself. तो उसकी पूरी फैमिली सफर हुई मेरे झूठ की वजह से.
Okay.
And there was one more lifetime ऐसा कुछ हुआ था. Now after all of these 3 lifetimes I'm going up and I'm re-evaluating कि भैया काव्या तुम क्या करके आ रहे हो? अरे ये तो गड़बड़ किया तुमने, अब इसकी भरपाई करो. And then I have also seen a lifetime कि एक थप्पड़ जो मैंने मारा है, जिसको भी भूखा रखा है, वो सब line by line मेरे पास वापस आ रहा है. Now in this lifetime I'm possibly going to complete that cycle, that I was an abuser. In some other lifetimes I was abused. And in this lifetime I am healing the abused.
Understood.
When I complete this circle, उसके बाद I can go back and I'm like, अच्छा चलो यार अब कुछ और नया सीखते हैं. अब मेरी सारी ATKT हो गई. जिन सब्जेक्ट्स में मैं फेल हो रही थी, अब मैंने उनको क्लियर कर दिया, पास कर दिया.
What next?
Now maybe we can move on. And what next? If I don't get stuck into too many attachments, detachment, मेरा सोना, मेरा घर, मेरी गाड़ी. If I don't get attached to them, then I could progress.
Right.
But most people are so attached.
Yes.
To even revenge.
Yes.
That वो lifetimes repeat ही करते रहते हैं.
How are you so authentic? Like everything is just you're just out there completely.
There's no other way to be. When you
it's
actually,
very difficult, Kavil, to meet people like you.
I don't know about that. I mean, I don't even know what to say to that. Because I've realized that पूरी दुनिया इतनी फेक हो चुकी है.
वही
इतनी फेक हो चुकी है that the only way you can heal it is by being authentic. जब हम authentic हो जाते हैं ना शैलजा, तो हम दूसरे लोगों को भी authentic होने की हिम्मत दे सकते हैं. And the only way we can all find a balance is by being true to ourselves. यार जो आता है वो आता है, जो नहीं आता नहीं आता.
बिल्कुल.
क्योंकि मैं झूठ बोलूं तो वो भी तो मेरा ही कर्मा है, मुझे ही भुगतना है.
क्योंकि आपको वो अवेयरनेस है.
हाँ.
अभी इंस्टाग्राम की जिंदगी में, फिल्टर्स की जिंदगी में लोगों को इतना अवेयरनेस नहीं है. Kavil, that's what I was saying.
हाँ.
It's very difficult to meet. See, being from a content business myself, वो लेयर एंड लेयर निकलती है, फेस से मास्क निकलते हैं, फिर पता लगता है कि पीछे कौन था. आप फर्स्ट मीटिंग में, आई थिंक फर्स्ट 5 minutes I spent with you, it was like she's out there, she's just, you bared it all.
अब by me bearing it all, मुझे बहुत सारी गालियाँ भी पड़ती हैं. बहुत गालियाँ पड़ती हैं.
You need to be courageous to do this.
But I guess I think like I told you in the beginning, it's become a mission for me to be a tool for service.
Right.
मेरा एक बिलीफ सिस्टम बन गया है मेरा कि भगवान मुझे बोलते हैं कि मैंने तुझे जिस काम के लिए भेजा है ना, तू वो काम कर, तेरा जो भी गड़बड़ हो रहा है वो मैं देख लूंगा. So I have actually experienced that as long as I am authentic, I'm doing what God expects me to do with full truth, with full honesty, with no malintentions. I will never get stuck in my life because मेरा तो वो दिख रहा है. So मेरे पैसा है, हेल्थ है, बच्चों का एडमिशन है, जहाँ जहाँ मैं अटकती हूँ वहाँ आई एम लुकिंग एट हिम, लाइक तू देख रहा है ना, तो मैं काम चालू रखूँ.
So डायरेक्ट लाइन है.
डायरेक्ट लाइन है.
तो वो फेथ वहाँ से आ रहा है.
बिल्कुल 100%.
तो यहाँ पे मेडिटेशन को लेके साइंस रीड नहीं करना पड़ रहा कि उसकी साइंस कैसे उसको सपोर्ट करता है. लाइक टुडे इफ यू टीच पीपल मेडिटेशन, दे आस्क लाइक हाउ विल इट साइंटिफिकली बेनिफिट. I think you are coming from a point which is all about you have it, have the faith, have the connection, have the experience.
And like I've always told you that I'm not a very intelligent person, Shelja. I'm a person of faith. I'm a ground worker. तो मेरे साथ कोई बहुत ज्यादा ऐसा इंटेलेक्चुअल कॉन्वर्सेशन करता है ना, दिस डिबेट एंड दैट डिबेट, मैं पीछे हट जाती हूँ कि भैया इतनी अक्ल नहीं है मुझ में.
Keep it simple.
Keep it simple.
Authentic. And
ना मुझे jargon समझ में आते हैं. Nor will I cover up my language to make it look or sound better than what it is. And I do believe that there are a lot of people like me who like it simple.
Absolutely.
तो जिनको मेरी simplicity बेवकूफ़ी लगती है, तो वो नहीं आए मेरे पास. They will find another therapist, they will find another coach who will speak a fancy language. They are a perfect vibrational match for them.
Possibly.
I am the Buddhu person's therapist. Because I'm a Buddhu person myself.
Simple and authentic. That's how I like to term it.
That's it. And that's why I feel like I'm very happy. I'm a very happy person.
What's left on your bucket list? You achieved a lot at 42.
What's left on my bucket list is I want a farm. And I want to... Now, this is an intention I'm putting out in the world at the moment as I speak abracadabra. I want a farm where I can adopt a lot of animals who need to be rescued, who need to be healed. And there are a lot of abandoned children I want to give them a home as well.
Okay.
So I bring in those children, I bring in those animals, they all take care of each other. And I just hope that God or the universe supports me in being a mother to every single person who doesn't have a mother.
Wow.
That's all. I feel like if I can do that, I will die a very, very happy person.
May it come true.
Thank you.
How was it meeting Oprah? Like, you were in the studio with her, right? And you waited for 10 years for that moment.
I waited for 10 years to meet Oprah. In fact, I had Oprah के साथ जो मैं उसके शो पे थी, I could not be there in her studio.
Yeah.
And that was the first episode of a new show that they had created, the live class. क्योंकि Oprah Winfrey का शो तो बंद हो चुका था.
Correct.
So because she wanted me on that show, she said, "Don't worry about it. I will create screens."
Okay.
So there was the first time on her show where they had me from India and they had 2 other people
Okay.
from different parts of the world.
Okay.
क्योंकि ओपरा ने मुझे देखा था कि मैं मार खा रही हूँ पुलिस से to meet her.
हाँ.
And she said, वो लड़की को बुलाओ.
हाँ.
And then they had told me that, we'll arrange for your visa and we'll arrange for this and we'll arrange for that. But as life would have it, they called me 15 days before the show. There was no chance I would be able to get it. So they said, okay. She's hell-bent on having you on the show. But we'll organize something. So that was how it was.
Right.
अब मैं कितना लंबा आपको story
So how
सुनाऊँ?
far do you go to make your dreams come true? That was the point I was trying to make.
ओपरा को मिलने के लिए मैंने बहुत पापड़ बेले. 10 years I dreamt of her. And तब मैं जब ओपरा के बारे में सपने देख रही थी, तब तो I was not a Kavyal Sidani that people know today. I was a kid. I was a housewife. A very depressed one, a very negative vibration kid at that time. I was just using the law of attraction and I'm hoping that someday I could meet her. God sent her all the way from US to India. And the funny thing was that when she came to Jaipur, Barkha that asked her, Oprah, what brings you to India?
Yeah.
And Oprah said, I don't know. She's saying, मैं अपना vision chart बना रही थी और वो मैगजीन पे 2 बार आया go to India. मैंने मैगजीन छोड़ दी, वापस वो खुला go to India और मैं वहाँ पे चिल्ला रही हूँ that it was me. It was my vision chart. So she said, okay, you got it. But उस दिन तो मैंने उसको मिलने के लिए पुलिस की डंडे भी खाए हैं. Because I tried to break all security chains और फाट करके जोर से, it still hurts in the winters here. But she saw that. She saw that I was being hit by the police and she just did this and she's saying, just go, they're hitting you. But then I think there were multiple miracles. And then she called me on her show. So I really made a fool out of myself. Really made a fool out of myself. But that also taught me the biggest lesson. कि अगर कुछ तुमको चाहिए ना, don't depend on the other people. मैंने बहुत जुगाड़ लगाए थे. अगर कोई भी ओपरा को जानता है, प्लीज मुझे यहाँ पे मिलवा दो, वहाँ पे मिलवा दो. मैंने ऐश्वर्या राय तक को लेटर भी लिखा था.
अच्छा.
कि मुझे आपके घर में 1 मिनट के लिए बाई बना दो. क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि ओपरा आ रही है ऐश्वर्या को मिलने के लिए. Because Aradhya was born. And of course I received no response from there. मैंने अंबानीज को लिखा, टाटास को लिखा. I don't know any of these people. Twitter accounts खोले. Nobody helped. And then I was like, यार भगवान ने उसको वहाँ से यहाँ तक भेज दिया है. Now it's my job to cover the distance. बहुत पापड़ बेले मैंने उसके लिए. But eventually I think God saw that I'm not giving up. And he made it happen. He made it happen.
Lovely. Can you give examples of positive affirmations? How our listeners can do something in their daily life?
पता है, typically people feel like अच्छा affirmations तो मतलब yellow page पे red pen से लिखे जाओ ऐसे नहीं है.
नहीं है.
You really got to believe in that one thing. Okay? there was a client, Marwadi client, who had come to me, and he was very obsessed with money. उसको बहुत टेंशन रहता था कि यार पैसा पैसा पैसा, और मैं उसको जब फाइनेंशियल की एफर्मेशन देती थी तो बोलता है मैडम जी इतना सब करना पड़ेगा, कब करूँगा मैं धंधे पे बैठूँ या ये सब लिखूँ करूँ. तो देन आई टोल्ड हिम, आई सेड अच्छा आप एक काम कीजिए, आप छोड़ दीजिए ये सब, फाड़ के फेंक दीजिए इसको. आप सिर्फ इतना बोलिए कि लक्ष्मी जी के साथ आपकी सेटिंग बहुत बढ़िया है. अच्छा. बोलते बस इतने से हो जाएगा? ऐसा हाँ मानना पड़ेगा इसको कि लक्ष्मी जी के साथ आपकी सेटिंग बहुत बढ़िया है. ये तो बहुत आसान है, तो मैं दिन में 10 बार कर सकता हूँ, हमारे तो ऑफिस में लक्ष्मी जी की तो फोटो भी है. ऐसे बस वही करो. He actually came around after 1 month and he's saying, कितनी बार बोलता हूँ मैं लक्ष्मी जी की फोटो देख देख के कि आपके साथ मेरी सेटिंग बढ़िया है, आपके साथ सेटिंग बढ़िया है. And his financial situation started turning around.
Oh my God.
It's, you just need to believe that one thing. When all of your 5 senses come together in believing something, it's the biggest affirmation of all.
It's a manifestation.
It's a manifestation. I'll give you an event from Dhirubhai Ambani's life. वो जब 14-15 साल के थे तो पैसे वैसे तो उनको मिलते नहीं थे, वैसे चौल में रहते थे. तो उन्होंने एक बार अपनी मम्मी की पर्स में से कुछ 10-15 पैसे चुराए कुछ गुड़ पापड़ी खाने के लिए. तो his mother knew that he was stealing money. तो एक बार उनको एम्बैरेस करने के लिए वो पूरे चौल के सामने उनको लेके और चप्पल से फटाक 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 she kept hitting him. ચોરી કરે છે, આમ છે, અક્કલ નથી, શું કરીશ તારી લાઈફનું? એન્ડ ધીરુભાઈ અંબાની 10 મિનિટ માર ખાને કે બાદ he takes the chappal and he throws it down on the floor and he tells her in Gujarati, ફાડિયા ફાડિયા શું કરે છે? રૂપિયાનો ઢગલો કરીશ. Which means क्या चवन्नी चवन्नी गिन रही है, मैं I'll create mountains of wealth.
Oh my God.
When he was 14 years old. Now in that moment of passion, that मैं बना लूंगा तू देख, that is the biggest affirmation of all. हम लोग हिप्नोथेरेपी में बहुत जोक करते हैं ये कि अगर आप किसी अच्छे से रोमांटिक दिन पे किसी पेड़ के नीचे बैठे हो अपनी माशूका के साथ और your head is on her lap and you're looking into her eyes and you're like, Janu, I love you so much कि मुझे सिर्फ 7 जन्म तुम्हारे साथ बिताने हैं. आपकी तो भैया लग गई क्योंकि अब 7 जन्म आप एक दूसरे के साथ बैठे रहेंगे even if you don't want it in another lifetime.
Exactly.
Then this person will come across like a stalker and they'll come across like an inconvenient lover.
At this junction, there's a story about the conjoined twins.
हाँ जी.
One of them have got married to this veteran. Any point of view on that? It's very intriguing.
I don't know this story.
They basically are joined up till their belly button. All the organs are same below that. On top, there are actually 2 people, but it's one body. Yeah. And they've got married. I mean, one person has got married. Yeah.
The story of twins is very, very powerful. I mean, this is, again, we are drifting. There's a concept called family constellations.
Okay.
Which says that the bonding in between twins is so powerful कि अगर एक जन अपनी शादी में खुश नहीं है तो दूसरा भी नहीं रह पाएगा.
अच्छा.
Like if one spouse of one twin does not like the other twin, उसकी शादी भी नहीं टिकेगी. Because it is almost like a sacred contract that you and me, we have the strongest bond of all.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean there's multiple mysteries. There's lots of mysteries in the soul world and how we plan our lives. तो ये जो twin flame का concept है या soulmate का concept है. Twin flames is literally one soul split into multiple souls because population तो बढ़ी जा रही है. Right. So अगर एक सोल में से मल्टीप्लाई हो के 10 पार्ट्स बन गए हैं and now there are 10 different people
but
right? same soul. So one part of my soul meets another part of my soul somewhere. एक फिलाडेल्फिया में है, एक भिवंडी में है. By chance they have met at some point. The attraction will be so severe. It'll make no sense. Like, what is this? Oh my God, I can't let go of you.
Yeah.
But they're not meant to be together. So that's why the twin flame love stories are very difficult. Very difficult. Because they have split only so that they can both learn very different lessons. They're not meant to be together.
Okay.
क्योंकि साथ में आ गए तो खुद में ही इतने इनफ हैं कि कुछ और सीखेंगे ही नहीं, पढ़ेंगे ही नहीं,
Right.
अपने आप में ही पड़े रहेंगे.
Right.
But then you don't experience life.
So all this is part of the past life regression or
Part of
hypnotherapy?
soul studies, I mean, a lot of information that I talk about is information that is channeled from the masters.
Okay.
Okay, there are clairvoyants, there are
Yes.
clairaudients, there are
Yes.
gifted people, right, who are talking to the higher masters,
Yes.
and they want to give us messages.
Yes.
So there are three kind of souls, Shelja. The one kind of soul is the earthly soul. They are born for the earth school.
Okay.
And earth is a very difficult planet to be in. It's a very dense energy. It's not easy. There's too many people. Life is difficult. There are other kind of souls which are called the interplanetary souls.
Okay.
They have also graduated from other planets. Like Jupiter पे उन्होंने education करी है, Venus पे education करी है. And there's a third kind of souls which are the angelic realm. They only want to assist humanity, but they don't want the body.
Okay.
They are the angels. Okay? जब आपको मिलता है कि अरे मेरे को ऐसे repeated numbers क्यों आ रहे हैं 11, 11, 22, 22, white feathers आ रहे हैं बार बार. You know the angel signs that people talk about? They are the angelic realm souls. Now the interplanetary souls they have a much higher and a wider knowledge than the earthly souls have. So they feel like, Bhaiya, we're going to come and we're going to assist you in this journey of yours.
Yeah.
So they bring in a different kind of wisdom.
Okay.
Now, how does that even show in your horoscope? अगर आप कुंडली में आपका गुरु बड़ा अच्छा है, very powerful guru, which actually means that you've done a superb distinction graduation on Jupiter.
अच्छा.
और आपका राहु बहुत खराब है या आपका Venus बहुत खराब है, which means you have to study more about the Venus education. Okay, so it's complicated, but it's fascinating. And I was told by 2 or 3 clairvoyants that I have come from the Jupiter school.
Okay.
And I'm here as an interplanetary being.
Yeah.
I myself remember having multiple lifetimes on the Earth school as well.
Right.
Because like I told you,
Yeah.
in my past lives, in one of the past lives, I was a shaman. In some other past lives, I was a murderer.
Yeah.
So, but the Earth school isn't easy. और जैसे बच्चे होते हैं ना, तो उनकी लेवल ऑफ एजुकेशन अलग अलग होती है. There's pre-primary, primary, secondary, there's masters,
Yeah.
PhD, right?
Yeah.
In the same way, the souls are on a different level of graduation.
Okay.
तो जो बहुत pre-primary, primary levels के होते हैं souls, they are all about I, me, myself, food, sleep, sex. सिर्फ मैं बस और कुछ भी नहीं.
Physiological,
That's
emotional.
it. They will not think beyond that. For the ones who are going on a secondary, they'll be like, acha, okay, you know, what else can we study? They're the more intellectual brains. For the ones that are higher than that, they're like, we got to assist humanity.
Right.
So they go into a very different realm of studies. They find very community purposes. Their purposes are never just for themselves. And also sometimes ये जो PhD level के souls होते हैं ना, they don't always take a rebirth only to correct their karma. They will sometimes take a very difficult rebirth to correct community karma.
Okay.
Just like Jesus Christ.
Right.
Saying, I will suffer for all of you.
Yeah.
It's like when we did a lot of past life regression and channeling and all of that, when the Nirbhaya case happened,
Yes.
that we were wondering कि यार इतनी
क्यों हुआ?
भयानक
हाँ.
मौत, so bad.
Yeah.
And the information that we received through the channels was that, well, there was a lot of negative karma that my family had created. But I came from a different realm and I didn't want them to suffer. So I took it upon me.
That girl.
That I will suffer for all of you and I clear out your
It shook the
karmas for
nation.
you. It shook the nation, yes.
It shook Delhi
But
for sure. Yeah.
Any person who is coming with that level of karma will awaken thousands and lakhs of people. It's
Absolutely.
a part of their contribution.
Absolutely.
I recently made a reel again, which was very badly received by a lot of people. I don't blame them because they don't have access to this kind of information, so they misunderstand it sometimes. One of my gurus, my clairvoyants, when I was having a conversation that, why do some people have such deformed bodies? It's so difficult for them to live their normal life. And he said that, Kavyal, if there are X number of souls waiting for a regular human birth, there are possibly 10x number of souls waiting for a deformed, disabled, or a very difficult body experience. And they know that they have taken that upon themselves.
And why is that?
Okay, it's simply because when an element like that is in your home, everybody else has to let go of their selfishness,
Absolutely,
their immaturity, and now focus on this.
Yes.
It naturally brings out the sensitivity, the empathy, the thinking about everybody and everything else. It brings out their spiritual nature. It brings out them even looking into क्यों होता है, कैसे होता है, right? Or that deformed life that comes into your family, it allows everyone to give back. कि भैया आप भी सेवा करो अब.
Right.
तो
So it
आपके कर्मा भी कटते हैं.
awakens them.
Awakens
in a very,
everyone.
very weird way.
In
but
a
it
very
does.
difficult way.
Yes.
I mean, people say that, what nonsense. Nobody would do that. Let me ask you this. In anybody in their right frame of mind, why would somebody get into a profession like boxing? जहाँ पे बाहर निकलेगा तो पता नहीं है कि भैया मेरी आंख रहेगी, मेरे दांत रहेंगे, मेरे कौन सी हड्डियां टूट जाएंगी, मैं मरूंगा या मैं जीऊंगा. फिर भी करते हैं ना? It gives them a different kind of a high.
Correct.
The soul operates on purely soul principles. मैं नीचे जाके किसको क्या सिखा सकता हूँ, कितना सिखा सकता हूँ, कितने लोगों को awaken करा सकता हूँ. How can I make a difference? So if there are ministries in the human realm, like defense ministry, finance ministry, even on the soul realm, there are ministries like that. I possibly could be a minister from the women and child welfare in the soul realm. And I'd be like, yaar, ye earth pe bada siyapa machaya hua hai. They're not being treated nicely. And I can go down and I can fix that.
Right.
So I will take that upon myself.
Right.
And I come down with a purpose. And when I come down with a purpose, a lot of my angel guides, my spirit guides, they're all guiding me that, Kavyal, this is not going to be easy, but we will assist you. So you choose your people. So I will choose my mother, I will choose my father, I will choose exactly my life plan कि मेरी life में कब क्या कैसे होगा. Okay. But when I come from the soul to the human body, that data is wiped off. I can't remember anything. Right? Then I start living the normal earth life. When I start living the normal earth life, there has to be some trauma, some major trauma, that my parents will abandon me, or my husband will abandon me. Now, when I'm abandoned, when I'm tortured, when I'm abused, I'm in so much pain. I'm broken and shattered into so many pieces that I feel like, ab to ye main nahi hone dungi.
That
I will rise from there.
Got it.
And that awareness, that awakening, is an activation button into your forgotten trauma, into your forgotten purpose. That when you are awakened, then that's when you know that, I want to help the other women. I want to help the other children. Nothing brings me more joy.
And you believe in it, like you said.
Absolutely. But I actually believe that it is my job to bring in kindness into the world. Nothing else. I never boast of intellectual intelligence or nothing. If I can spread kindness and hope and joy, that's it. Kindness towards all species, not just towards the women and the children, towards a dog, to a squirrel, to an ant, to anything. But it's a part of all of our divine duties to be able to do that for each other.
And on this note, Kavil, I wish you all the very best on the beautiful journey you are embarked on. And it is so enriching to have you here, have this conversation. Forget intellectual, forget anything else. I think the heart-to-heart talk and what comes out naturally, authentically, it's going to touch our listeners.
Thank you
Thank you so much, Kavil.
Thank you for having me.